Welcome back to True. For today's video, guys, we are going to somewhere with the family. Tara. Sarap to kang family. Yes. Oh, tara na. Inside na. Inside na, guys, sis. Kay mang lopad na ta. Hi, vlog.
Wala joy.
Diba? Diba? Ito na, nasa atubangan ako gibutang. Sige na, guys. Sige na, faster na. Okay, I will close na, ha. Bye sa mo. Hi vlog sa mo.
Uy, wait lang.
Lagi. G, paglingkod sa G. Bye. Gina, sibog pa. Maslide ka, ha? After almost 2.5 hours the trip from Tubigon. So Daman Silog. The view is actually Ara ka na. Ako 0.5 ha. Wait lang, arik ko.
Fee is only 20 pesos. Yeah, then if you have a car, 20 pesos. So this is worth it. It's nicer than Chocolate Hills. Yes. Yeah. So if you want a camping overnight, it's 200 pesos per head. So you can camp here overnight, guys. See, you're gonna camp here, and then this is your view. Oh, that's so nice. I bet in the morning is very nice here as well. So nice, guys.
Play. Rasa ni mo eh.
Sana nabigyan na. Oh my god. Maligid ko pabalik. It's scary up here. Okay. Oh, just go. I didn't know I have a heights. Scary. No, picture it na. Hindi, picture ang takasan. Oh! Why not? Yes! Stunning.
Nakatag nakasaka sa Mount Fuji na.
Mount Fuji.
Look, look sa view.
Sa ako, guys. Guys, nice tayo ang view dito.
Ayaw diha kay ma-slide ka diri ka sa grass.
Alina.
Ayaw lagi diha.
Sa grass.
Grass din.
Na kana.
Ano pwede rana?
Dali go din.
Adventurous na bata.
Ala.
Slide ka?
Congrats. Nakaabot na ka sa Mount Everest.
Nice way.
Balik sa kataas. Dali ay.
Dali kay mag-video tam na. Ay, si Gumit na ko.
Kumatuwad.
Kuya Yawan manggani ko na. Oh, tinag.
Mura man tag mga lula.
Hiling na ako kay mata. Kuan jud ko. Uy, ginoo ko. Uy, ginoo ko. Ginoo ko. Uy, Diyos ko na. Nagyun.
Okay. Oh, sa binibili na tubo or
Uy, ginoo ko.
okay naman?
Okay na. Ato ko dito. Ito ko dito, guys. Okay.
Wow! Parang wala akong nakita eh. Nabaray ko yung glasses.
It's all green. Super green here. So pretty. But it's so hot, guys. Okay. Ay, somebody's fishing. Wow. It's so stunning. Swimming area. Ah, you can actually swim here. Hey. See? That's the view here. Okay. Okay. That's where we went earlier. Over there. You can actually swim here. Well, the water is 22 feet water deep. Look. There's some bonfire also. So the water is 22 feet. So I don't think I can swim here. I'm only good in 3 feet, guys, not in 22 feet. You're really gonna appreciate the nature if you are not from here. But if you live here, I don't think you will appreciate it. Naikuan oh. Wait lang, guys. I'll show you. Fish na? Wow. Fishes, guys.
Isda na sa?
Di man good. Taka man mo sa hangin na, uy.
Di ko mura bitaw.
Hangin eh.
Chillin'. They're chillin', guys. Oh. Nice life.
Unsa na mga cows?
Murag.
Ikaw ni, narakay. Nas kahon.
Agay.
Ko jud mama ron.
Oh, cow.
Wala makita ka na.
Oh, cow lagi.
Tama.
Oh.
Di ba naman zoom? 5 bro zoom ano.
Trisad.
Oh, layo ay ako. Oh.
5 ako.
Oh, tarata siya.
Cellphone ni magod. Di mo?
Ako gitawag
Life as a vlogger.
for the sake of videos.
Dili ka no?
What?
Pwede mo makunog pan din. Isa ang balik ko dito be, init. Isaan!
Dito wala pa ako dito. Yeah, I think there's somewhere. There's a bridge down there, guys. But I don't have the power. Wala na ko yung power. I think you can swim here because
Nagbuot apila. Mahal to dito sa blue ate.
I'm gonna swim here because it's koan. It's not deep. Look. I'm gonna go there. The rest of the family are tired already. Nature. Thank you, Lord, for this nature. See? Akong face. Grabe na kapuan. At oh. Whew. At oh. If you are from Tagbilaran, if you're coming from Tagbilaran, I'm not sure how many hours, but it's kinda far. We are coming from Tubigon, so it takes us 2 hours and almost 30 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Yeah.
I vlog.
Nag-vlog ko. You should listen to TikTok. You should listen to Google Map, guys, because if you're gonna take the slower road, it's a rocky road. So what Google suggests is all plain and concrete road, unlike the road that we take. It's not concrete. So if you're coming here, you should follow Google. So that's it. After here, we're not going back to Tubigon. We're gonna go somewhere closer to the beach. So we're gonna take swimming, maybe, I don't know. Okay. Tiring na ang mga person, guys.
Uy, balik ka nyo,
Uy, picture ko ba? Tiring na sila.
Angel. Ligid ba, ligid. Mana na nag-picture na ako. Mana nakapicture sa mga
That's all for today. My 1 hour vlog. Bye.
Keep that way.
See you guys.
Triksoning na duha ka kung nagdaan ni diri na.
Bitaw.
Coba dah kau coba. Ma. Coba dah kau.
Nagbayad ka
Ano
ba?
gamay lang ba?
Ingat tulo ka po.
Drink moderately, guys. Para day tour. 20 pesos per head. 3 years old below is free overnight. Kids 2 years old. Ito yung mga for rent, guys. It's very affordable. Camping chair, camping table, and 50 picnic mat. Okay, for this one is amenities. Nak tubig nakbo. Snow load music places after 10 p.m. So, there's only umbrella. Umbrella for rent 20. Pay as you order. Okay, so they're open at 6 a.m. close at 9 p.m. So yung check-in kung mag-overnight, what time? Alas 12 yung check-out, 11. Thank you. Charging station. There, you can charge your phone. At the same time, they also have piso Wi-Fi here. So, if you really want to get away, forget about the cities. There. So we're on the way, guys, just to Anta right now. We're done for now here. Hoping to come back with the girls next time. So your car, the parking lot is just right there. You cannot park over there. face is super red now because of the hotness. Bye! Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you didn't subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Country you're coming from. Leave me a comment if do you think this is worth it for 20 pesos entrance. Okay, leave a comment.